Welcome to my honest review of Budget Tracker, the all-in-one personal finance website designed to streamline your money management. In this video, I'll walk you through every feature, giving you a detailed understanding of how this tool can help you organize your finances efficiently. Let's start by exploring the homepage, which offers a clean and user-friendly interface. The dashboard provides a quick overview of your financial health, displaying key metrics like total income, expenses, and remaining budget for the month. Setting up your account is quick and intuitive. After signing in, you can link your bank account securely, allowing Budget Tracker to automatically import and categorize your transactions. This feature saves you time and ensures accuracy in tracking your spending. You can also add manual transactions if needed, giving you complete control over your data. One of the standout features is the customizable budget categories. You can create specific categories that suit your lifestyle, from groceries and dining out to entertainment and travel. The platform uses clear charts and graphs to show your spending trends, helping you identify areas where you might be overspending. Let's talk about goal setting. Budget Tracker makes it simple to set and track financial goals, whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. The Goal Tracker visually breaks down your progress, keeping you motivated to stay on track. The expense tracking feature is another highlight. You can view detailed breakdowns of your spending by category, date, or vendor, making it easy to spot patterns and adjust your habits. Budget Tracker also provides helpful reminders for upcoming bills, so you'll never miss a payment. The website's reporting tools are perfect for those who want to dive deeper into their financial data. You can generate comprehensive reports to analyze your income and expenses over specific periods. These reports can be exported, making it convenient for tax preparation or sharing with a financial advisor. Budget Tracker also offers a mobile app, ensuring you can manage your finances on the go. The app mirrors the website's functionality, providing seamless synchronization between devices. Whether you're at home or out shopping, you'll always have access to your updated financial information. Security is a top priority for Budget Tracker. It uses bank-level encryption to keep your data safe and secure, giving you peace of mind while managing your money. There's also a dedicated customer support team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter. In conclusion, Budget Tracker is an excellent tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances. Its comprehensive features, intuitive design, and robust security make it a standout choice for personal budgeting. Whether you're new to budgeting or a seasoned pro, Budget Tracker offers something for everyone. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and financial tips. Thanks for watching.